Yo, good morning. How we doing this morning? Lotto Friday, baby. You tried to say good morning, but I'll take it. Good morning. Let's do this. Lotto Friday, baby. Yesterday was crazy. It was a good day yesterday. Took 2 trades. Kind of paper-handed that Facebook trade. Again, the whole point of this month is to work on staying in the winning trades longer. So I'm very upset with myself that I sold the Facebook too early. So I'm gonna stay trading light until I fix that issue. But yeah, I traded Facebook yesterday and traded QQQ. 2 for 2. You're gonna take it, walk away for the day. But yeah, yesterday was great. Hopefully you guys made some money. Thank you for becoming a channel member. I greatly appreciate you. Oh, you're a channel member for 3 months. There we go. There you go. I like it. Anyways, hold on. Let me get everything set up real quick. Yeah, that AMD went stupid yesterday. Absolutely stupid. I thought the watch list was going to invalidate because the market pulled right before market open, but then it just rallied for the rest of the day. Apparently there's Tesla news, so that's pulling stuff down with it. And yeah, still holding my AUD NZD swing trade. As we can see, it finally broke above that 1 hour resistance point, came back, made it support. So hopefully we can get the next leg up. And ultimate price targets on this thing is, let's see, 1.1101, 1.1152, 1.1216. So still holding that swing trade. Got stopped out on D yesterday. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Swing trading utilities really is just, it's not the wave. So if you guys ever see me talking about a utility stock again in the future, I need you to stop me and say, Brandon, no trading utilities, because with the utilities, I'm like 1 in 8. I don't know what it is. Utilities just, I suck at swing trading utilities. They always go against me. But yeah, so. Hey, thank you for becoming a channel member. I greatly appreciate it, Travis. Anyways, so let's make this watch list. Let's see. I am watching a swing trade on NFE. I do really like the setup. Hold on, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. As we can see with NFE, 49.3 is a major area of resistance. Hit it once, almost hit it twice. Usually the 3rd time is the time that it will break through. If it's able to break through, I will be looking for the $50 calls. I think June is where the liquidity is. Hold on. Yes, the June $50 calls, if the spread narrows, they're only like 160 to 170 bucks. So I'll be looking to take that to 52.37. But real quick, before we can start making this watch list, what I need you guys to do is click that like button. We got 120 people in here and only 50 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list, I'm gonna need you guys to run it up to 150 likes. And then real quick, my trading ebook does officially drop tomorrow night. I think I'm gonna send it out at around like 6 or 7, depending when I get all the edits finished. So if you guys do want to pre-order that, there's a link for that. Anyways, now let's make the watch list. So we'll start with CB. Looking for a swing, possible swing there. Tried to break out, came back. Very strong support at that level. Let's see. Too many trend lines now. But yeah, we're gonna have to keep a watch on that one. How's everybody doing this morning though? We got people joining now. So how'd everybody do yesterday? You guys make money, lose money, take no trades? Your morning's going good, bad? My morning's not going too great. Pulled a muscle in my neck and it hurts really bad. Let's see, 176.50. Maybe if Chevron could get above this level, I'd be interested. Chevron. Yeah, literally the entire book. It's called The New Age of Technical Analysis. So in the book, there's going to be more to it. Hold on. It tells you everything that I go over. Options trading, candlesticks, stock trends, plotting support and resistance, Fibonacci, trend lines, Parsons pivots, moving averages, simple moving averages, stochastic squeeze, on balance volume, chart patterns, futures, risk management, and there's so much more than just that. Yes, it's a straight up technical analysis book. What's up? I'm gonna call up Bezos, send him a fruit basket. Let's see. So I do possibly like Chevron. Still waiting for the breakout on the Dow. That thing is still squeezing. Goldman Sachs. 325.2. 330 calls have liquidity in this. GS. IBM is sitting at the breakout zone. So I'm going to continue keeping my eye on this. Maybe we can finally swing it. I have not looked at Amazon yet. And remember, we got all the reports dropping at 8:30. We got to keep an eye on that one. Lockheed Martin, not interested in NFE. We're looking for the swing. NVIDIA. I'd personally be interested in NVIDIA to the upside. Broke that flag, had a huge continuation yesterday. It depends on what the reports are. If reports are bad, it's going to pull it. If reports are good, it's going to push it, and then we can look over yesterday's high. Target, don't like, and Exxon, don't like. Might be a pretty narrow list today. Apple looks like crap. That 146.84 level would be pretty big if it were to break below that. So Apple puts. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 140 people in here and only 83 likes. We need 150 likes for the watch list. AMD. Again, same thing as NVIDIA. I'd be more interested to the upside. Possibly above yesterday's high. We got like a little 4-hour flag right here too. So maybe we can get a break above, what is that? 108.24, 108.88, yesterday's high, and then a continuation after that. AMD. Boeing had a huge day yesterday. Boeing's been on a run. Could see a bounce at 137.50. 141. We'll put Boeing on the list. Baba, not interested in. Facebook. Same thing. It's kind of, it looks like a lot of these stocks are forming 4-hour bull flags. Just depends if they break out or not. 197.86, take it up to yesterday's high at like 200. Facebook. Microsoft has a nice 4-hour squeeze. Basically been in a consolidation. I'll watch and see which way the squeeze ends up firing. Not too interested in the setup though. Get rid of that. We already looked at NVIDIA. PayPal don't care about. Raku don't care about. SQ. Same bull flag. Almost on every stop. SQ. And Tesla got smacked with a 4-hour squeeze too. Might actually form a head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and then breakdown. Yep, we got it in 3 minutes. So we'll see what it is. Let's take a look at QQQ and let's look at SPY. QQQ getting smacked. That might actually be forming a head and shoulders as well. We'll see. Came up right to that retracement too. Again, you guys should have these levels on your charts. Remember in Saturday's video, I said QQQ could make that 38.2% retracement to 315.21. If we're looking at QQQ, take the high point to the low point and put on the retracements. 38.2% was at 315.21. We pretty much hit that thing to a T, and now we're down at 310.87. So if QQQ wants to go higher, it needs to break above that level. TPTX bought Bristol Myers. Are you sure it's not the opposite way? Yeah, TPTX was bought by Bristol Myers. There you go. Imagine if you had calls on this thing. Sheesh. The $50 calls, well, of course there was a stupid spread on it, but the $50 calls were around like 250 yesterday. And they're now almost $25 in the money. That's insane. Anyways, apparently at one point I had this charted too. Again, make sure you guys click that like button. We got 180 people and 100 likes. If you guys want to watch this, run it up to 150 likes. We get non-farm payrolls here in 1 minute, so we're gonna wait for that. In the meantime, if you guys could, or not if you guys could, if you guys would like to pre-order my new ebook that will be dropping tomorrow, I will be emailing it out to everybody tomorrow night, probably around like 6 to 7. But yeah, there's the link for that. Basically in that book, I talk about everything I know when it comes to trading, all the technical analysis, risk management, whatever you need to know about trading, I can guarantee you it's in that book. Anyways, what are the futures doing? Yes. Nice little pump. The Aussie NZD is following as well. Let's see what the actual numbers were. Unemployment 3.6%, consensus 3.5%, non-farm payrolls 390,000, consensus 328,000. So let's see how the futures react to that. Currently, it looks like it's liking it. We're gonna give it a minute to digest. See what happens. Yeah, unemployment rate 3.6%. Hourly earnings month over month 0.3%. Expectation 0.4%. Last 0.3%. This Aussie NZD could break and set a new high. That would be amazing. I might actually take off some of my position. Let's see. Currently up 44 pips on the Aussie trade. On a golf trip, nice. 44 pips on this Aussie NZD. Might actually move my stop loss to break even here in a bit. All right, so let's make this watch list. Somebody keep me updated on the futures and keep me updated on the Aussie NZD. There we go, baby. Keep it cracking. Keep it cracking. Nice, nice. The lots are, it's always different depending on what I trade. Always different. Like something AUD NZD, I could buy a lot more than if I were to trade any yen pair, because the yen pairs are stupid expensive. Anyways, all right, keep me updated on the futures. And let's see what we can get today. Chevron. Not really interested in that one. We're going to take that off. GS. 325.2 I'd be interested in. NVIDIA, right now we're just going to do process of elimination. NVIDIA really liked this over yesterday's high. Take it to 200. Look for a denial at 200. 200. Let's see, NVIDIA like. Apple. I'd be more interested in Apple if the market were to pull. Well, apparently AUD NCD is going. Almost at plus 50 pips. Close. Apple, AMD. There we go. There's plus 50 pips. AMD, let's... How can we form a trend line on this thing? Really can't. Honestly, I just look for the break 108.25. That's where I'd be interested. AMD, like. Boeing. Like Boeing. Facebook. Ah, Facebook's trying to break the flag. 198.8, take it to 200. I do like that. And then SQ. SQ with a question mark. Cool. All right, let's narrow this down. 3 to 4. How are the futures reacting? Just coming back to the moving average, they're actually squeezing. Uh-oh, coming down. See what happens at 41.39 again. Somebody keep me updated. But do we want AMD or do we want NVIDIA today? Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got almost 200 people in here and only 120 likes. If you guys want the watch list, put in the chat. We need 150 likes. Uh, 106.50. Honestly, what's up? I'd be more interested in AMD to the upside, but it depends what the futures end up doing. We got that daily squeeze firing up, the break of the trend line. Be more interested to the upside on this. NVIDIA beginning to look weak. And Boeing broke 140. 142 calls have the liquidity. Let's see, Boeing break above 141. 146.32, it has room. GS. 4 hour. I set up the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Yeah, I think Apple below 146.84. If the market pulls, we can see if we go to the 4 hour. 1 resistance, 2 support, 1 support, 2 support. We break below there, it's going lower. So we're gonna put Apple on the list for puts. If the market pulls. Let's see. Apple looking for a break below 146.84 for puts. If market pulls, this will go with it. Price target equal 145.50, 144.50. Yeah, sink or swim, it does lag sometimes. Sometimes it's a think or swim issue, but it could also be a computer issue. So upgrade your RAM is my biggest suggestion. Upgrade the RAM. Futures tanking. Uh-oh. I guess we're gonna have to switch that up today. Let's look at Amazon. Might be a QQQ and SPY kind of day. Nice little gap that it could fill. I have 64 gigabytes of RAM. 64. Oh no, that Amazon 25, what is that? 2517 looks pretty interesting. Amazon. Throw that on the list real quick. Let's go to NVIDIA. Yeah, I guess NVIDIA wants to pull. Hopefully this doesn't invalidate a lot of the setups, because I was more interested to the upside today. Can't really get a flag on here. That's what I'll be looking for, so I don't know. It's a weird day. None of these setups are like high probability. I mean, Boeing above 141, I do kind of like that, but me and Boeing also have a dark past. We have a good past and a dark past. Maybe Facebook. Futures fall below the level. Looks so. Might be one of those days. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. It's free 99 to do so. Yeah, to be honest with you guys, nothing is really high probability. I don't necessarily like the setups. No, we're not trading Dollar Tree. Goldman Sachs. Bid is at 322.50. Yeah, I might have to wait a little closer to market open. The video's just pulling. Yeah, the Apple might be the only thing. see what Tesla's doing. If Tesla loses 726, it's going a lot lower. They still dropping? Yeah, if there's, trust me, if there's no trades, you don't need to trade. You simply just take the day off. Market's going to be here next week. Market's going to be here the following week. It's going to be here the following week. You don't need to take a trade every single day. Again, you take high probability setups only. You don't need to trade 5, 6, 7 times a day. In reality, all you need is 1 to 2 trades. That's it. For some reason, I don't know why people be taking like 10 trades a day. If you break it down to just basic trading, there's a 50-50 probability that you're going to make money. If your first 2 to 3 trades are a winner, probabilities are, just 50-50. The probabilities are getting higher that your next trade is going to be a loser. And what happens? The 4th trade that you take, you end up losing all of your profits. Take 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all you need to be successful. So, if there's nothing that I like today, I'm not going to take a trade. That's it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Literally just take 1 to 2. If you have 2 winners, get up, walk away. There's no point to, keep trading. Yep, that's my rule too. If I have 2 red trades, or if the first trade is a big loser and I get emotional, I just get up and walk away. It's that simple. I might not have a watch list for you guys today. Might be an Uncle Savvy kind of day. Let me see if Grizzly put out his watch list. He is not. Yeah, really the only thing I like is Apple. To the downside. Yeah, we cut the D swing yesterday. Dominion Energy. No more utility swings. I swear on that now. Alright, let's run through the list one more time. Can't promise that there's going to be anything. I don't like the setups today. I'm A-okay with not taking a trade. Nvidia, nope. Apple. AMD. The AMD does look interesting. Just depends if it breaks above the flag. $9.85. $15.83. Unfortunately, sometimes swings do not go in your favor. That's part of swinging. If you oversized, I don't know what to tell you. I say the same thing every time that we take a swing. You position yourself. If 50% hits, negative 50%, and you get stopped, you should be okay with the loss. If you're panicking while your swing trade is down negative 25, negative 30%, I'm sorry to break it to you, but swing trading is probably not for you. You gotta stay patient and let the trades work out. If they don't work out, you suck it up, you take the loss, and you move on. Trust me, it's not that hard. It was the same thing with USO. I say this every day. I had so many people DMing me and complaining USO was down like -35, -40%. And I was so confident in that trade that I said, okay, add to the position. And guess what? The thing blew up. So, staying patient. If it hits your stop, you just suck it up and you move on. I'm gonna say, watch AMD, watch the flag. Or maybe we could snag some puts as well. Bone. We're almost at the 150 like goal. We're 8 likes away. I would say I'd like Boeing above 141. Facebook, if it can come back up. What's the futures doing? Yeah. Yeah, I really don't have anything else. Maybe a little closer to market open. I might have 2 more, but nothing is high probability, to be honest with you guys. I got 2 things. That's it. So, real quick, again, before I send the watch list, first off, anybody got questions, feel free to type them in the chat, and I will answer them. But real quick, if you guys did not pre-order the ebook will be releasing tomorrow, June 4th, probably around like 6 or 7. But pre-orders are up. If you did pre-order, I will be sending you the link to the ebook or the downloaded PDF version to the book. And yeah, there's a link for that if you guys do want to pre-order. Other than that, here's the watch list for the day. Apple, AMD. Might snag something off of Grizzly's watch list or Jadon's watch list, but it looks like the futures want to pull. So Apple might be the best thing. It's really like the only thing I like to the downside. 146.84. That's going to be an important level. But yeah, any questions you guys got before I hop off of here for the morning? This isn't how I wanted a Lotto Friday to set up. Or did Savage put out his levels? He did. Let's do SPX and QQQ. He's got really high resistance point there today. Of course. Yeah, remember, if you pre-order the ebook, you're gonna get an email from Gumroad. That's who I'm doing the ebook through. And the email, it's gonna have a big button that says thank you. Click on that big button that says thank you and scroll all the way to the bottom. There's a text document, and it's gonna be an invite to the Discord channel for book holders. Where's this line at? 314.38. Just doing my SPY and QQQ levels. 310, 309. My neck is killing me. What is my weekend schedule? Work on videos, prep for the next week, hang out with my fiance. That's pretty much it. 302.26. I don't have so many levels. 302.26, 300.92. There we go. Could you explain when you mention the flag? Wait. Could you please explain when you mention watch the flag break out? Yeah, break above the bull flag. Yeah. Or bear flag. But, alright, I'm gonna put these levels in. Other than that, again, it's Lotto Friday, so trade safe. On Lotto Friday, yes, you can make a lot of money very quickly, but you can also lose a lot of money very quickly. So on Lotto Friday, I suggest that you never use more than 5 to 10% of your weekly profits. Meaning, if you made $10,000 this week, you should not be using more than $500 to $1,000 on Lotto Friday. I do not want to hear that somebody lost all their weekly profits on a Friday or lose their entire account on a Friday. So use proper risk management. As always, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to do so. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Sorry about today. I really don't see anything that's high probability. So either going to stick to QQQ and SPY, or just look for intraday setups, or just not trade at all. So we'll see with that. But other than that, everybody